Hi everyone, welcome to your Advanced Computers courses. Many of you are taking these courses at the same time. It is PA 125, 126, and 127. So I decided to do a little intro video for those of you who are enrolled in just one or all three, because this is just some general things about all three courses. So let me just start off by saying it doesn't matter if you're enrolled in one, two, or three of these courses. You're going to find some similarities in them. So that's why I wanted to do this general welcome email. But what you're going to find is, first of all, once you get your textbook, you're going to see that it's broken up into sections. So you're going to use one book for all three courses. Now, the first course, 125, actually includes two pieces of the textbook. You're going to be spending the first 2 weeks looking at Office fundamentals, and then the rest of the time looking specifically at Word. 126 is going to cover Excel, and 127 is going to cover PowerPoint. So again, when you get the book and actually look at the physical textbook, it's going to make a little more sense where all these are coming from, because you're going to see them referring to chapter 1 of this and chapter 1 of that, and you can see it's just broken up into sections, and each section has new chapters. So just wanted to point that out to you, especially if you're using the online course. That may be a little confusing to you. The other thing that I wanted to point out, obviously make sure you look at the syllabus each week. And if you go into the first several weeks, you will find the textbook chapters listed here. What that means is you don't need to wait for your textbook, or even wait to even download your textbook if you choose to do it that way. You can get the textbook chapters right away, the very first day of the course, right here. So this will allow you to go ahead and get started on a particular assignment and things like that. Now, as we look at these textbook chapters, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this link and open it, you will see that, let me open that up. Once you're in the textbook, it's going to go through and have you do all kinds of activities as you go through it. So they're going to go through and show you how to, do different things, and how to locate things like that. In some of the chapters, they're going to actually have you open different files and things. Now, if it tells you to open a file, obviously there's no, hyperlinks on this, nor will there be on your hardback book. So what they're talking about when they ask you to open up files, and let me just close this out, is to go back here and let me open up modules. And it's thinking. Okay. Right here where it says student data files, this is where you're going to find all of the files that they refer to. So you can open up this zip file and download it to your computer right away, and then you'll have it available to use throughout the entire course. Now, all of the courses have been set up by our design team. 2 of the 3 courses right now have this student data file with a zip file in it. I believe they're working on getting 127 moved so that it also has a data file in it. But in the meantime, you will find those files listed individually under the weekly assignment link. And let me just show you what I mean. So if we go to the week 1 assignment for this particular course, notice it's still 125. Whoops, this one's locked because the class hasn't opened yet. So anyway, it's still 125, but because it is locked, you're not going to be able to see everything, but you will, if this was an open course, you would see not only the assignment to turn in, but the links to those data files. So they're in more than one place in some of the courses, and that's what I'm trying to point out to you. So if you're not sure where to find something, make sure that you're reaching out to me, because it's all there. It's just a matter of locating it once you get into the course. Now, The other thing I want to point out is, make sure you're submitting what you're being asked to submit each week. Not everything is something that you're going to turn in, but everything is things that you need to complete. So they're going to give you files, they're going to give you activities to do with those files, but you're not necessarily turning in every single file that you practice with. Those are for you for practice. So make sure that you are noting on the actual assignment link what you're turning in. So each week you'll have, the discussion post, your assignment, and your quiz. If you're not sure, if you're unclear about what to do or what's expected of you for a particular week, make sure that you're reaching out to me. That's what I'm here for. And so once again, welcome to this series of courses. These are the advanced computer courses, of which you may be taking 1, 2, or 3 of them at the same time. My name is Sarah Davis. You can reach me at 618-792-2293, or you can email me at sarah.davis@vatterott.edu. Hope you have a great week.